Bollywood actor Sonu Sood is now facing legal heat. A Ludhiana court has issued an arrest warrant against him in a 10 lakh rupee fraud case. What went wrong? Why did the actor skip the summons? Stay tuned for the full story. A judicial magistrate in Punjab's Ludhiana has issued an arrest warrant against Sonu Sood. The case involves an alleged 10 lakh rupee fraud filed by Rajesh Khanna, a Ludhiana based lawyer. Khanna alleges that Mohit Shukla, the main accused, tricked him into investing in fake cryptocurrency called Rijika coin. During the investigation, the court summoned Sonu Sood to testify, but the actor failed to appear, leading to the warrant being issued.
मामला ये है कि इसमें एक कंपनी है रकीजा नाम का, उसने रकीजा नाम का फेक कॉइन इन्वेस्टमेंट प्लान बेस लॉन्च किया है। इन्वेस्टमेंट प्लान बेस जो भी कॉइन होते हैं वो मनी लॉन्ड्रिंग एक्ट में आते हैं। जो नए नियम है मनी लॉन्ड्रिंग एक्ट उसमें ये कवर होते हैं, फ्रॉड माना गया मनी लॉन्ड्रिंग फ्रॉड। इसमें इन्होंने एक इन्वेस्टमेंट प्लान चलाया, उसमें क्या कहा कि आप $100 हमें दीजिए, हम आपको $300 देंगे, उसमें $1 आपको रोज़ दिया जाएगा, पर डे आपको $1 दिया जाएगा, और आप जो इन्वेस्टमेंट है वो $100 से लेके $5000 तक पर आईडी में कर सकते हैं। इसमें इन्होंने अलग अलग सेमिनार्स किए, पब्लिसिटी की, अलग अलग डिफरेंट प्लेसेस पे, यूपी, बिहार, गोवा, महाराष्ट्र, काफ़ी जगह इन्होंने, पंजाब में भी काफ़ी जगह इन्होंने सेमिनार्स किए। वहाँ से लोगों से करोड़ों रुपया इकट्ठा किया। उसके बाद इन्होंने वापस करने की बजाय ये भाग गए, एक फेक सा कॉइन दे दिया जो यूनिट ही है, वो कहीं भी ट्रेड नहीं होता, उसकी कोई वैल्यू नहीं है। लोगों से ठगी करने का ये नया तरीका क्रिप्टो करेंसी की हेल्प से किया गया है।
The Ludhiana court has now directed Mumbai's Oshiwara police to arrest Sonu Sood. The order reads, and I quote, Sonu Sood has been duly served with summons but has failed to attend. You're hereby ordered to arrest and bring him before the court. End quote. The police must report back to the court by February 10th, confirming either the arrest or the reason for non-execution. Sonu Sood has replied to this allegation on X. He wrote, and I quote, we need to clarify that the news circulating on social media platforms is highly sensationalized. To put matters straight, we were summoned as a witness by the Honorable Court in a matter of pertaining to a third party to which we have no association or affiliation. Our lawyers have responded, and on 10th February 2025, we will give a statement that clarifies our non-involvement in the matter. We are neither brand ambassadors nor are we associated in any way. This is just for unnecessary media attention to grab eyeballs. It is sad that celebs become soft targets. We will take strict action in this matter. End quote. Interestingly, just days before the arrest warrant, Sonu Sood was in Andhra Pradesh for a different reason. He met Chief Minister Chandrababu Naidu and donated 4 ambulances to strengthen healthcare services in the state. The actor shared pictures with the CM on his Instagram. He wrote, and I quote, ambulances are crucial in saving lives, and I'm happy to start this journey of ensuring patients receive timely treatment by donating 4 ambulances to the state of Andhra Pradesh. End quote. With the next hearing set for February 10th, all eyes are now on Sonu Sood's response. Stay tuned for updates on the story.